Samsung has launched its new mid-range 5G phone under a series in India called Galaxy A26. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy A26 5G boasts a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Exynos 1380 chipset, paired with Mali G68MP5 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Galaxy A26 5G sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 13-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support. On the software front, the smartphone runs on Android 15 out of the box, with One UI 7 skin on top, and the company promises to provide 6 years of OS and security updates. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP67 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164 by 77.5 by 7.7 millimeters, and it weighs around 200 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy A26 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 24,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 27,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Awesome Black, Awesome Peach, Awesome Mint, and Awesome White color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy A26 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.